I found out we got it through woot.com. And of course, my inquiry was regarding their affiliate program because I wanted to be able to give you a link where you could get the same rice cooker if you wanted to. We got a great deal on it. And then when I logged on, I found out that Woot was founded in 2004 and then bought by Amazon in 2010. And they, of course, offer special deals for Prime members, all that kind of thing, free shipping, et cetera, et cetera. It's also going to be part of Amazon's affiliate program. So I'll look it up on Amazon and find the link for that and put that in the description of this video. Okay, here's the new rice cooker by Aroma, sold by Woot. Woot is now owned by Amazon, so you can get it through Amazon. Model number, there it is, ARC743INGR, with instructions about immersing in hot water, etc., etc. Very cool rice cooker. So this is an Aroma rice cooker with cook and warm lights. I think that has a function, inside the spring loading mechanism that lets it know whether to come on or not. Small little bowl for two of us, it's plenty. But the additional coolness is the fact that it doubles as a steamer. So I think this is what you use to scoop the rice out, measure the rice. That's going to be, there it is, 180 milliliters. Then this doubles as a steamer. So I guess you fill that with water, set that to a boil, and put whatever it is that you want to steam in here. I would assume the rice scooper, you get the idea. So I don't know, maybe maybe you do. So let's see. So when you're cooking rice, you put this on here, and and that seems a little more stable. The one thing to watch out for is the feet are really sticky, which means as I'm scooting this, the feet are also rather close together. So it tends to kind of want to topple as I'm sliding, see, like that. So just be careful with that. But other than that, it's great. This one we've been using for years. I've already redone the handle. That's the bottom of the handle that was under here. So I turned it upside down and made a new handle out of it. Word on the street is that the fact that the pot is all beat up like that, all the chips that have come off there, we've ingested. So that's not healthy. So, time for a new one.